What's up, Nash? I'm here with Mr. K. I'm here with Mrs. O. And today we're doing the What's Inside the Box. Are you ready?
Yeah, so ready.
Round one.
It's a plate?
No, it's on a plate.
It's a plate.
No.
Oh.
Is it slime?
Okay, this is like, can I say slime?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know it was edible. Is it edible? I'm kind of hungry. I don't know.
Round two.
Gotta be careful.
Oh, it's crabs. They're gonna...
Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Is it like a dog toy?
Okay.
Like a plushie of some, like a stuffed animal.
I don't feel comfortable with this.
It's not SpongeBob, I don't think.
Okay.
I think it's like a stuffed animal, like a squeaky toy.
Is it like a stuffed animal?
Round three.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm scared. Ew.
This better not be water. Okay.
Ew, these are beans.
What type of bean?
Baked beans.
Ah! That feels weird. Oh my god. I don't like what that. I felt water. Is that water? Ew, this is like disgusting. Could it be pork and beans? Oh, beans? Oh, okay. Give it to me.
Round four.
Oh my god, what the? Ugh. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is really disgusting.
Oh, silly string. Yeah.
I was trying to...
Let's see here. Is this like from anatomy or something? Like. One more guess. Bottle. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to say a part of a dissected cat.
It's just silly string.
Silly string?
Yeah.
Smells weird. Oh my god.
Round five.
What is this?
Oh my god. What the? This feels weird. I really feel uncomfortable with it. Okay.
Is it a banana?
Like a stress toy?
A squishy banana. Like a stress ball. You guys are so weird.
Like this, I would use this for like something to fidget or relieve stress. Yeah. Well, a stress, like. Yeah.
Bingo!
It's a stress banana?
Mrs. O scored a 5 out of 5 on Guess What's Inside the Box. Mr. K scored he scored 4 out of 5, so he lost to Mrs. O. What's your
Barely.
What's your thoughts?
Oh, I really enjoyed it, and it's all in good fun. So thanks for letting me participate. This
Silly string,
This
it
feels
stumped
like
you.
a part of a dissected cat. I mean, take it to, I don't know, Mr. Downs or something like that. Like,
I guess it's a dissected cat, guys.
well, I mean, it's similar.
Good job, Mr. K.
Thank you. Oh, jeez. These are taped on. Okay. Okay. Got it. Good, yay. Ew.